If you're having problems on the Get Your Guide application, like the application keeps on crashing or the app is not loading properly, well, there are some things that you can do to fix this problem. You need to make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on your control center and turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data to connect to a network. By doing so, you shouldn't have any internet issues. However, if there are any other kinds of factors that are affecting your application, you want to simply go to settings, scroll down and tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, and you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the Get Your Guide application. Tap on show all, tap on Get Your Guide and simply offload your app from here. After that, you want to reinstall the application, and what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data, and the next time you open the app you shouldn't face any kinds of problem. However, if you do face any kinds of problem after this, you want to simply restart the device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.